Ate, okay ka lang? Nagle-levitate yung ulo mo, ate. Triple D. Guys, so yeah. Ngayong hapon, lalaro tayo. Pero ba ngayon, pitas on your screen. Lalaro tayong tinatawag na That's Not My Neighbors. Sige, why not? Hindi tayo maglaro, diba? Let's go. Skip na natin yan. Skip. Ano, na-spoil na ako eh. Nabis ko na napanood to eh. It was at this moment he knew he fell down. Good afternoon, miss. Look. Napindot ka! Next. Tama kaya yun? Nasa list kaya siya? Nasa list naman siya eh. Hello, ma'am. Okay, are you on the list? You are not on the list. Where's your ID, ma'am? Forgot your ID. You are Miss Celine. Celine Sribishi. Alam ko ano yan. Anong floor mo, ma'am? Floor 1, room 4. Okay, Celine. You have a mole on right cheek, which is dito. You have a mole on your right cheek? Yes, you have a mole on your right cheek. And yeah. 6996. Tawagan muna natin yung sister mo just to make sure. 699. Nice number. 6996. Tiririn. Tagal sumagot ah. Hello, Celine Scabishi speaking. My sister is not up. Okay, thank you so much for confirming it to me. You may go in, ma'am. Yes, you may go in. Next person, please. Triple D. You see that number? It's Triple D. See? Triple D. Good afternoon. Are you new here? Are you my neighbor? Oh, Mia Stone. You are Miss Mia. Where is your ID, Miss Mia? Sus. Okay. Okay, 1987. Meron siyang Triple D. Mia Stone, floor 3, room 1. Alright, let's check. Long hair. Ano to, asawa mo? Ay, hindi, ka-roommate niya. Number ID 789564. 789564. 5251115. 5251115. Okay, long hair, small round nose. She has freckles, oval face, and thin eyebrows. You seem right. Legit naman si ate. Okay. Sige, you may go in na, ma'am. Alright. Natanggalay na pindot ko kanina. Hindi ko sinasadyang mapindot siya. Nagbag ako. Hindi yung game. Hi, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am. Good day. So, you are on the list. Where's your ID, ma'am? Alright, so you are Rafetelin Kapusin. Okay. 96. Ano siyang Kapusin, Swerte Lumpur. Okay. Mapindot. Floor 3 room. Okay, Rafetelin Kapusin. She is a housewife. Appearance, big nose, straight hair, and wears a band-aid.
What?
Alright, legit si ate. Big nose. Let me check again. Okay. What's your number mo? Your number please, 4258. 4258. Tiriring. Your husband, please. Hello, Alf speaking. Alright. Hello, Mr. Alf. My wife, thank you so much for confirming. Opo, andito na siya. Okay, mag-alala. Papasukin natin siya. Alright. Goods naman si ante. Okay, you may go in na po. Alright, you're welcome. Next! Next neighborhood or doppelganger. Oh my goodness, Kuya. Good afternoon, Kuya. Are you on the list? You are on the list. Arnold Shkimishi. Alright, floor 2, room 1. Arnold Shkimishi. Big eye. Oh, so may roommate siya. Big eyebrows, prominent mustache, wears a hat, round face, and short hair. Alright, okay ka lang naman, Kuya. Okay. Arnold Shkimishi, meron siyang triple D. Alright. Dapat tayo na-encounter your doppelganger. That's very good. 7 says, just call your roommate to make sure. 5, 1, 2, 3. Alright. 5, 1, 2, 3. Tiriring, tiriring. Hello. Tagal niyo po sumagot. Tiriring, tiriring. Woohoo. Hello, Gloria Shkimishi speaking. Yes, Miss Gloria. My husband. Alright. Thank you so much for confirming. Kuya, dapat legit ka ha. Dapat legit ka kasi andito ang isang batang nagngangalang Sopitas on your screen. Yes. Okay naman, legit naman si Kuya. Nandun naman siya sa ano. Alright. Goods. Goods si Kuya, goods. You may go in, opo. Go na, go, go, go. I have work to do. Next! Next person, neighborhood, doppelganger. I just let you... Something's wrong. Ba't wala kang mole? You should have a mole. Yet you don't have mole. Oh, are you Elionis? Si Elionis po ay may mole. I'm so sorry to tell you, but you are a doppelganger. See? They both have a mole. Triple D! So guys, last time sinubukan ko tong laruin. Hindi ko na-edit kasi naglalag yung cellphone. Cleaning up po, okay na. Yes sir, yes. Okay, next, doppelganger, neighborhood, or whatsoever. Good afternoon, sir. Okay ka lang, sir? Tanungin ko lang, kagagaling mo lang ba sa circus? Okay ka lang? Nakainom ka kaya, kuya? Triple D! Sorry, kuya, pero trabaho lang. Sinusunod ko lang kung ano ang trabaho ko. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Opo, kinantak ko na po ang triple D. Triple D. Triple D on my hand. There's a triple D on my hand. Opo, opo. Kuya, dali. May trabaho pa ako eh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Go, go na. Go, go. Next! Doppelganger neighborhood whatsoever. So, are you the legit one, ma'am? 4-2, floor 2, room 3, 6-4-3-1. 6-4-3-1. Tring, tagal ah. Tagal sumagot ni ma'am. Okay, wala. Seems like wala naman siya. Alright, wala naman. Alright, legit si ma'am, legit. Margaret Bubbles, are you on the list, ma'am? Yes, you are on the list. 1032-6804, 1032-6804, 014, 590. 014-590. Alright, legit naman si ma'am. So yeah, you may go in, ma'am. Thank you so much for being honest. You are welcome. Go in, go in. Okay, next. Next person, neighborhood, doppelganger, whatsoever. Kuya, okay ka lang? Nakakakita ka pa, kuya? Triple D! Oh my goodness. Hello po, Triple D. May dalawang ilong po dito. Mukhang nakalimutan po niya maglagay ng dalawang mata. Paano kaya siya nakakakita, no? Well, yes, please hurry. I have job to do. Hi. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Alis ka na, sir. Gagawin ko ng trabaho ko, sir. Alis ka na dyan, sir. Next. What the hell? Ano to, Jujutsu Kaisen? Naksan na-adapt nila pati yung anime. Bye, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Tagal, ah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You may go now, sir. Go away na. Give me alone. Next! Tagal, ah. Ate, okay ka lang? Nagle-levitate yung ulo mo, ate. Triple D! Ano nangyayari dito? Ba't nagle-levitate yung ulo ni ate? At for doppelganger na yung mga sunod-sunod, ah. Wala bang ano? Normal neighborhood? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ryoker, sir. Roger that. Copy, copy, sir. Copy. I copy, I copy. Ipapaprint ko to, I copy. Tagal, saan naririnig yung boses ko? Ay, tapos na? Yun na yun? Oh my goodness, na-score natin. Level summary. Double gangers captured 5. Neighbors killed. Yes! Thank you. Double. Oy, tama pala yung una nating pinaano. Yes! Nakarank tayo ng S, mga guys. Thank you so much sa inyong mga blah 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 and etc. Thank you so much, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. At magkakaroon pa to ng part 2, syempre. Para makahabol tayo sa content ng ibang YouTuber. So yeah, sana nag-enjoy kayo, guys. Bye!